Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the OXO Good Grips pop container with scoop. So let's go ahead and remove its clear plastic bag. And of course recycle that clear plastic bag thoughtfully. And now we're looking at the OXO Good Grips pop container with scoop. So this one has a 1 litre capacity, and this is the square version. So taking a look top down, you can see that round or circular push button mechanism that provides the airtight seal to this modular stackable food storage container. And here taking a look at the base or underside of the container, you can see that it does have 4 round feet that protrude from the flat surface of the container to keep it elevated and stackable on top of other OXO pop containers. So taking a close-up look at the product details in the paper or at the paper insert in the container, you can see the instructions on how to operate the push button mechanism for that airtight seal, and just taking a look around the other parts of that paper insert. Okay, and just giving you some idea of the size of this container with its 1 litre capacity resting in my hand, and of course holding it by the body, never by the lid. And right there giving you another look at this container, which can be used for storing a variety of food products or non-food products as well. So the container is BPA free or bisphenol free, and it's also dishwasher safe. Now let's pop open the lid by, of course, pushing down on that circular push button and then lifting the lid off and giving you a look inside. You can see it does have a rounded corners for easy pouring of your ingredients or items out from the container, and just giving you a look at the lid as well. So just setting the body of the pop container to the side and giving you a closer up look at the lid with its base plate, which is or can be disassembled, and the grommet right there that provides or works together with the base plate and push button to form the mechanism for the airtight seal. It's right there giving you an all-round look up close at this OXO Good Grips pop container with scoop. And in just a moment we'll take a look close up at the body of the container, but now just focusing on the lid right there and showing you that push button mechanism. So you can hear it does click very loudly, and it does have a rather stiff mechanism right there that clicks away to provide the airtight seal. Okay, so just setting that push button lid on the side, and now we can focus on the body itself. So right there, taking a look right into the container itself, and you can hear and see that the body is quite thick and pretty rigid as well. So right there, just squeezing on the sides, you can see there's only a slight bit of flex on the body with its rounded corners for easy pouring. Now let's tip the contents out. So that is a clear plastic bag with a scoop inside of it, and of course the plastic bag is also recyclable, just like the external clear bag which we removed earlier. So reuse and recycle these bags thoughtfully. Let's tip that scoop out. So this scoop has a 30 milliliter capacity, which is approximately 2 tablespoons full. So they're giving you a look at the scoop and its shape, and of course right there you can hear nice and solid sounding with its BPA free design as well, which is also dishwasher safe, along with the rest of the container. And to give you a better idea of the size, just resting the scoop in my hand. So as I mentioned, 30 ml capacity, which is roughly 2 tablespoons full. And now just setting the scoop to the side right there, along or next to the lid. And now taking a closer up look at the body once again, and this time of course with the scoop emptied, we can have a nice clear look at the underside and the details right there. You can see the different labels. So the body is recyclable as well, and of course BPA free or bisphenol free, and it's also dishwasher safe. Now let's slide out the product literature insert that's in the body and take another look more clearly this time around. Now that it's out from its packaging, we can stretch it out and take a close-up look at the details of this OXO Good Grips pop container with scoop. So this one has, as I mentioned earlier, a 1 litre capacity, and the scoop does attach on the underside of the lid for easy storage, and the lid of the container can also be disassembled for more thorough cleaning. It's right there, instructions and steps and the other product details with the OXO Good Grips range of pop containers. So just going to set that piece of literature to the side if I can. And now just spreading the contents out once again across the tabletop. So right there, the body, the scoop, and the lid itself. And okay, now let's put the lid back on, and you can see it does fit in any orientation, being the square shape, and we simply press down on that push button to lock that lid and provide the airtight seal. And we do so very simply. Once again, if we need to open or release, simply push down and the lid comes off very easily for simple single-handed operation for an airtight container. It's an excellent design right there. So never carry the container by the lid. I'm just giving you a demonstration of that grip and seal of that airtight mechanism with the push button that's built into the lid design. So right there. And of course we can attach the 30 ml scoop that comes with it to the underside. As you can see, there is a lip right around the scoop, and there is a protrusion on the underside of the lid. We simply slide and it clips and attaches on right there very securely. So giving you a look right there. the scoop being attached to the underside of the OXO pop container lid, and we simply pop the lid back on and then push the button down to seal it all back up together just like that, providing that airtight seal, which is nice and taut with minimal slack as I pull up against it with some effort. It's right there, giving you a nice all-round look at this OXO Good Grips pop container with scoop, this one being the 1 litre capacity. And giving you some idea of the thickness of that BPA-free body with its clear design. And these containers being modular as well, they are stackable. You can see that there is a slight depression where a similarly shaped OXO Good Grips container can stack on top of this one. Okay, and let's disassemble the lid. So we pull out the base plate, very simply just like that. If we want more thorough cleaning in the dishwasher or hand washing, and of course we peel off the grommet as well. So the grommet is made from silicone, and right there giving you a nice detailed look at this OXO Good Grips pop container with scoop. So simply, as you can see, just goes back on. So that silicone skin simply goes back on, and of course we want to push down to ensure that that base plate goes on nice and firmly, and there we have it. It's all back together again, of course making sure that we push down on the edges for proper fitment. And right there, back together again, sliding on the detachable 30mm scoop and replacing the lid back on and pushing down on that push button to give it that airtight seal. So just taking a look around the container once again. So that's the OXO Good Grips pop container with scoop. Thanks for watching and happy storing!